Careful, Fritzy, please. And you, little ferocious dog. Little Fritzy just wants to play so bad. I mean... Hi, Fruity. Hi, Fritzy. Hi, Fritzy. Hi, sweetie. Hey, Zeke. Hi, Coco. Zeke. Hi, Zekey Boo. Ah. Gypsy, you little barker. Gypsy, you barker. Gypsy, you barker. Lizzie May. Hi, Squirt. And Mark putting up a fence. Let's see if we can get Mark to look at us. Hey, Mark!
What?
Look at me.
No.
You guys are exhausted, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna be.